Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, patapos na nga ang taong 2024 at bago matapos ang taong to, gusto ko munang pasalamatan kayo lahat ng subscribers ko na walang sawang nanonood sa aking channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Maligayang bagong taon sa ating lahat. Guys, ito na yung handa namin. Pakita ko sa inyo. Niluto namin ng ibagawa ng mga anak ko. Ito na nga ang handa namin guys. Of course, di mawawala yung prutas. Meron tayong drinks. Ito yung tikoy. Yan na lahat. Ang mga niluto ko guys. Tikoy. Hipon. Beef steak. Ayan. Pork adobo. Menudo. Itong isda. Ham. Nilagang baboy. Pansit. Ayan. Siyempre di mawawalang rice. Sliced bread. Ito yung mango graham na gawa ng anak kong lalaki. At ito naman yung fruit salad gawa ng anak kong babae. Yan lang simpleng handa namin ngayon guys. Sa New Year. Saying goodbye to 2024, and yes, making New Year's resolution is just setting ourselves to something we want to work toward achieving our goal in 2025. We can take small steps as we say one at a time as we take the challenges. And we may start out by figuring what we exactly want to achieve this year. And for some, maybe they fall, but still we have to hold on and carry ourselves to the goal that we are setting into. Happy New Year, everyone, and have a blissful, fruitful year. Thank you so much for all your support, everyone. Kindly like, share, and subscribe for more updates.